You they do is grind on stuff.
Yep. Specifically, those only those kinds of rails.
That's really such a great invention. It apparently is for this game though, so I'm sure it's used a lot.
Yep. And also Sonic the Hedgehog.
Yeah. Sonic just grinded on. Oh. Hey, what? Is that a shark?
Yes.
Can you kill it?
No.
Does it kill you if you go in the water?
Yes.
Are you positive you can't kill it?
I'm quite certain about it.
What if I use the flash? Oh, I can actually use it. You're right. Okay.
I got some
Mind
glove
for you today.
Oh, there's the trap for the obnoxiousness.
Yep.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Which way do we go?
I guess just explore.
Hey, get ammo. Oh my god, there's a tank. That's probably where Captain Quasar is. It's a tank. Or Captain Quark, whatever his name is.
You got it right.
I heard that was the race.
I don't remember.
Let's go this way. Because there's ah!
It spits acid or toxic air. Something that's lighter than air. That's not a good tank.
I know. We literally blew it up with basically a pistol. With a machine. Oh god!
Wow, nervous reflexes there.
That was my reflexes of awesomeness.
That was my oh shit, oh god, I'm going to die reflex.
Okay. Okay, let's go this way. More sharks. Are those hoverboards in the sky?
No.
Just ships?
Yep.
Okay, so... Obviously we go that way. Oh wait. I'm not an idiot.
And it blows the whole thing up.
Yeah!
Like, I'm not an idiot. And you still managed to fail this.
Okay. Well, it's right. Can you get away from those?
If you can get out of the water fast enough.
Oh, okay, is it like a timer that automatically kills you thing?
Pretty much.
That's so stupid.
Just think about how bad it would be if you had to swim all the way back. Just to go through this again regardless. Right?
Yeah. Okay. That's oh. I guess I don't. Okay. I don't know how I didn't make that first. Hey, it's the thing that hit the news reporter lady. Where'd you put the news reporter?
There's quite a few of them.
Oh snap! Oh, really? I wanted to throw the boomerang. Did it do?
Bash some heads?
Yes, pretty much. Uh-oh. What's this? Oh, no. I thought I had choice. Like, hey, can I grind that? I just got some bridge. Ow.
Actually, the bomb glove would have been a better option.
Well, I just massacred them, so it's okay. I think. Okay. So, People things.
Yep.
I want light crystals. Okay, blast rewards.
I'm pretty sure as soon as you hit the button, he's gonna unlock both doors.
Yep. Which means, you said, bomb glove time. Okay. I just wanted to double jump, and all I did was kept flying. No, I don't want to fly. I want to. Really?
Okay, how about we do the other path then?
I just want to hoverboard. That's all I want to do.
You almost didn't make that one.
Okay. Swing shot.
Yeah, this is a pretty steep difficulty curve.
Whee!
Right?
Yes. Sure. Can I enter the races now? Let's go. What's this thing?
The hydro displacer.
Oh, yeah. So I suck up all the water. How can he even lift that? That doesn't make sense.
That would be insanely heavy.
Well, apparently he just doesn't lift nothing. So.
Do you lift, brah?
Yeah.
Do you lift?
Pretty much lift. Okay. So...
Go up
oh,
there.
it is.
Ooh.
What the? Oh. There we go. Okay. And there's more water stuff. Put the water here.
And now you can swim through there. Or go through
Over
there.
Oh, more money. Anything useful?
Just random money, I guess. Maybe at the bottom.
Aw. Aw. Water! Oh, wait a minute. Check around the edges. Just in case.
I would have my doubts about the just in case for this area. And now you're gonna go back and raise the water. Because you had to lower it to break those.
I see. And then you swim. Yes, backtracking.
You know what they could have done to make this part really annoying?
What?
A minigame every time you had to raise and lower the water, like an infiltrator.
Mm-hmm.
You know how annoying that would get?
Monies.
Okay, apparently they hit it on the way back. Yep. Again, ow. Oh wait, you may need to start running as soon as you hit that button.
What did I run to? Oh.
Yeah, I think you're screwed already.
Why is that?
He's getting went backwards when you should have went forward at first.
Am I winning?
I think you're gonna lose.
I'm really close. Oh my god.
To the side. Other side. Wrong way still. And now you're dead.
I like how you say the side. You could have said left or right.
And you
but
go.
you say the side.
And you go to one side. It's like the other side, and you're like, okay. You go up. It's like, no, wrong side still. You go down. See, you're doing much better now. As you almost immediately screwed you over, stuff over right there. It's always stupid when they do something like this. Like, they make you dip in. Wrong jump.
Faster, you little noodle. Up. Really?
Oh, you're right there.
That's so stupid. Okay, I got this. I got this. Alright. Come on. It's like it catches up to me. No matter what I do, it's like it automatically, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get what you're saying. But it is lower than where it was at last time.
Yeah, that's true. Because I was touching the water there, if I remember right.
Yep. So you're already doing better. And you're able to get out of here in one jump, rather than latching on at all.
Really?
And you screwed.
That's okay. I got it.
You don't. Actually, maybe.
I'm right above the water! I don't get it!
You get right there!
You're underwater, don't tap X to push. I wasn't tapping. Really? There, sit there and dance it. Noodle. Hit me. No, no. Alright. You're such an idiot! Move! Okay, come on. Okay, or go jumping like a moron. Why do you jump like an idiot? And then go flying across the water? Oh my goodness. Okay.
Worst part is, you know you can do this too.
Well, I'm right there! How can I not get above the water level? It's literally right there. I don't care who you are. Get out of my way. What am I doing? Here. Okay, you do that then. I don't know how that is. Okay, waste your time doing that. Right, perfect. That's what I wanted you to do. Okay, run this way. Get under that water, moron. Okay. Go up, swim up. Okay, up, yeah. That. Okay, do a weird backflip thing, whatever the hell that is.
Okay, you got this. Unless for some reason he decides that breathing is not cool after you get out of the water.
Right. Now, was I not there every other time before?
Apparently not.
Like, what? Where was I that I wasn't making it?
Right before it.
Oh. Okay, I just need some sort of weapon. Oh.
And who's this guy?
Hey, press conference is over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in
Uh-huh.
his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter
Of galactic security.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi make me
Hey,
sick.
now.
Beat it.
But, sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know
how it works.
You convince me to let you in. You snap a picture of the captain in his underpants. Then you sell a picture to the internet tabloid for $1 million volts.
You've got it all wrong.
Meanwhile, I'm stuck at 6 volts an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark. So you don't get in unless
I'm assuming that's really low pay, 6 volts an hour.
Given that we find 6 volts by just walking down the street and within seconds,
So we can bribe them.
we have to bribe them.
You see how it works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Wow. Now look, but who's not in here.
Captain Quark?
What's that?
It's Ratchet and Clank.
Yep, he's actually there.
From the
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you
Wait.
found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great. Does that mean
Does that mean we can go on a
My
hoverboard now?
friends, we're all in grave danger. I believe that together we can put a stop.
Oh, snap.
together? You mean you want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true...
Has he really been keeping an eye on you?
Yes, he has.
You mean I could be
Oh, absolutely.
So he's really a creeper.
You gotta admit, that is just...
What makes one man toil in obscurity while another becomes
Oh, it's
a
that
hero?
thing again, but
Is it
brown.
compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any
Oh,
other
he
hero
just puts
in
his finger
galaxy.
in the hole and it
Now is your
leaks.
opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of. This infobot contains coordinates
Oh.
to Quark's secret base.
Infobots.
Quickly conquer Quark's killer cannonade of confounded
Mom?
Can you...
Mom?
Can,
Like, the blueprint just had a square that was labeled
just make your
Mom.
way
Oh.
to the center of the base. Prove yourself. Learn
Okay.
the secret and earn your place in galactic history. Consult your
So
accepting any-
he just wants you to do all the
Not
work.
responsible for
Pretty
download
much.
dismemberment. Your results may vary.
Now, do you find out he's a coward in this game?
Yeah.
Good.
Meet me at my headquarters.
Hey, Captain Ratchet, what do you think?
We won't
Yes.
fail you, sir. We promise.
Yes!
Okay. So now where's the hoverboard? Hey, wait.
There's another switch with a door and a bunch of guards.
What's the taxi?
That takes you back to the start.
Oh, we don't want that. Is this to his headquarters?
No. This is somewhere, but you might want to pull out your weapon. And miss every shot, apparently.
Ugh.
At least if one shot's enough for hits.